what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. It's me, Sa Francisco, and in today's video, I'll be sharing you how to achieve this makeup look. So, ayan, but before we start, I would just like to greet everyone na happy Valentine's Day. So, ayan, kung may jowa ka, congratulations. Kung wala naman, okay lang yan kasi hindi ka nag-iisa. Nandito ako, single din ako. So, kung kailangan niya ng kausap, ayan, mag-message lang kayo sa akin, mag-comment lang kayo, carry lang, kahit ano, pwede natin pag-usapan. Basta, wag bastos guys, kasi hindi ako nag-entertain ng mga bastos na messages. I mean, like, sino bang mag-entertain ng bastos na messages? Diba? So, ayan, if you're interested in how this video will go, just keep on watching. And yeah, let's start, guys! First, we're going to prime our lids with this concealer from NARS Cosmetics. It's called the Soft Matte Concealer. It is in the shade Ginger. Ginagawa natin to para makuha natin yung pigment na gusto natin at para tumagal yung eyeshadow sa mata natin. Now, we're going to take this shadow in the shade Desert Sand para maset natin yung concealer at hindi siya mag-crease. Kung ayaw nyo naman gumamit ng ganito, pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit anong powder na walang kulay or any loose powder. For our first shade, I'll be taking the shade Blazing. Para to sa transition natin, this will help us build our main color, and as you can see, madami akong ina-apply to achieve the right color of our transition. For the second shade, I'll be applying this warm orange color called Amber. Huwag kayong matakot to apply colors, basta i-blend nyo lang ng maayos para ma-achieve nyo yung gusto nyong color. Oh, by the way, I did my brows off cam na because it's easier that way, and I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 5. Para hindi maging plain color ang ating transition, I'm gonna be taking this light purple shade and it's called Amethyst. I-apply natin yon sa ilalim ng shade ng Blazing at ang Amber. I don't know if you can see it sa camera, pero in person, mas makikita nyo yung pink effect ng tatlong combination ng shades na yon. Next step, I'll be taking this darker purple shade called Royal. Just build the color kasi shimmery yung color na to, hindi siya matte. Once you were able to achieve your desired color, you're good to go. But remember, blend everything so there will be no harsh lines. Now, I'll take the shade Saffron and start blending it with the shade Royal. I'm doing this to deepen out the color kasi mas maganda yung effect pag medyo mas maitim yung nasa dulo. So, makikita yung pagka-smoky eye effect ng mata mo. Perfect. Sa lids naman natin, gagamitin natin tong red shimmery shade called Turkish Delight. If you want to stop here, okay lang kasi maganda na din yung effect niya. But I still want more kaya may gagawin pa ako dito na talagang magugustuhan nyo and feel ko gagawin nyo na din. Since marami tayong beses nag-blend, kailangan natin dagdagan ulit yung Saffron and Royal para mas maitim ulit yung effect ng mata natin. At ang pinakabonggang part dito sa mata natin is itong Pressed Glitter Pigment in the shade Cosmo. No need to spray Fix Plus kasi topper lang gagawin natin dito kasi may base na tayo kanina. So, tanggalin lang natin lahat ng mga excess powders na nalaglag kanina. For the primer, I'm using the Blur Cream from Snowy Beauty. First time ko tong gamitin, to be honest, na-shock ako. Hindi ko in-expect ganito yung itsura niya. Sobrang puti niya, to be honest. Para siyang sunscreen. Pero nabilib ako dahil after placing my foundation, sobrang ganda ng effect niya. Gagawin niya talagang matte ang effect ng foundation mo. Perfect for oily skin. I'm not kidding, guys. After blending it with a sponge, makikita nyo talaga ang itsura kung gaano siya ka-effective. Hindi ko ito marirecommend kung susuot nyo lang to alone, I mean the primer, kasi maputi siya. Kailangan nyo talaga ng foundation on top of it, then blend it after para maging okay yung kalalabasan niya. For my concealer, as usual, gagamitin ko pa rin ang NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Sana makakita na ako ng papantay sa concealer na to kasi so far wala pa ako natatry na iba na nakakapantay sa kanya. Then we're going to set everything with a loose powder. Ang gagamitin ko ay yung Laura Mercier translucent powder para mas maging matte ang face natin. And para hindi masyadong maputi yung face nyo, kuha kayo ng powder na shade nyo na mas maitim sa inyo. Then apply it sa buong mukha nyo. In my case, ito yung ginagamit ko, yung NC42 Studio Fix Powder from MAC Cosmetics. For the bronzer, ang gagamitin natin ay yung Hoola Benefit. Kasama to sa 2017 makeup favorites ko, kaya kung hindi nyo pa napanood, try nyo panoorin guys kasi I'm pretty sure meron din kayo mga gustong brands doon or products na nagustuhan ko na feeling ko magugustuhan nyo din. It's time for us to bake and clean our contour. So, ang gagamitin natin na powder ay ang Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. After baking, linisin na natin lahat ng excess powders. To finish everything with our eyes, we're gonna be taking all the colors na kinuha natin kanina and ilalagay natin yung mga shade na yun sa ilalim ng mata natin. Maglalagay lang tayo ng Turkish Delight dito sa part na to. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa part na to sa mata natin. Then maglalagay lang tayo ng black liner. Ang ginagamit ko yung Ever Belena. So isa-smudge lang natin yan para ma-achieve natin ang smoky eye effect. The darker, the better. Huwag kayong matakot kasi i-blend naman natin yan. That's it sa eyes. Moving forward naman sa face or sa base natin, ang gagamitin kong blush ngayon ay ang EB Advanced Blush in the shade Rose. For the highlighter, another favorite of mine, it's Glow Goals by Ofra Cosmetics. This is the collaboration of Nikki Tutorials and Ofra Cosmetics. Moving forward sa lips, magli-lip line muna tayo with MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Spice. And papatungan natin yon ng Maybelline lipstick in the shade Beige Babe, my favorite guys. Naglagay na ako ng lashes, naglagay na din ako ng mascara, so isa-set lang natin to with a Pixie Mist. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy this Valentine's makeup tutorial. See you again next time. Bye!